Hi guys, for this mini vlog, I'm going to take you at Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Sinimula ng construction nito noong 1994 at nagtapos noong 2007 at ipinangalan ito kay Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. Bago pa matapos ang Grand Mosque, pumanaw si Sheikh Zayed at inilibing siya sa bakuran ng Grand Mosque. Paano nga ba makapunta ng Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque sa Abu Dhabi? Kapag manggagaling kayo ng Dubai, pwede kayong mag-car lift at magpa-drop na diretso sa Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque o pwede din sumakay sa Metro Red Line at bumaba ng Bin Battuta Station at sumakay ng bus papuntang Abu Dhabi sa halagang 25 dirhams. At bawal magsuot ng sando, tsinelas at naka-shorts. Maaaring magsuot ng pantalon o di naman kaya ng kundura. Available ito sa mall na nasa basement ng Grand Mosque. At sa mga kababayan kung gustong bumisita ng United Arab Emirates at walang visa, you may send your PM at meron akong may sasuggest sa inyo na sobrang murang visa. Legit and trusted. All you need to do is to give your passport and your 2x2 ID photo. And after 2 days, meron na kayong visa. So what are you waiting for? Send me message on my WhatsApp. Always remember guys, you can always make more money but you can make more time. Time gone by is gone forever. Kaya live life to the fullest. And there you go guys, maraming salamat sa panonood ng aking mini vlog. I hope you enjoy and don't forget to follow my TikTok account. Enjoy traveling the world!